Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to open links internally on Fiverr, and now let's dive right in. Now to open links internally on Fiverr, first open up your Fiverr app on your phone. After opening your Fiverr app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons at the bottom right. Tap on that more button and you land on this interface where you will be required to tap on the settings option available for us. Tap on settings, and over here again on this interface at the bottom of the list you can see there is an option where it says general. Tap on general just below the appearances, and you land over here where it says the open links internally. Over here, guys, just below the sync contacts, make sure that the tick mark is turned on for the open links internally at the right side of the open links internally. Over here on the empty circle, make sure there's a tick mark available and it will be turned on. And that being done, guys, your links on Fiverr will start to open internally. And there, guys, this is how to open links internally on Fiverr. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.